Words cannot describe how much I like my trunk. It just can't. Words cannot describe how much I love this thing. And I'm not talking about this one in particular, although I like this one very much. I'm talking about the fact of having a trunk. It's the best thing ever. Ever, ever, ever. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. Is this your first time here? Make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. You know, I do motor vlogs and whatever, whatever is around this motorcycle. 2005 Road King Classic that I love very, very much. And a few months ago, I put a trunk to match my bags. And I got Viking stretch bags. I'm about to pull in here, my favorite place to record, right behind Dunkin' Donuts. There's not too many people. And it's just a cool place to record real quick, just to give you an update on this trunk. But I'm going to tell you, I love it. I really, really do love it. If I don't cover all the details and things like that, I don't mean to. I'm going to link a video down below where I talked about it, all the details and things like that. You can check out that video as well. But in this one, I'm just going to do an update. I think it has been about 4 months. Well, actually, I take it back, 3 months since I got it. So I want to tell you how I feel about it, and I want to tell you what I think about it. So let's come in here. Beautiful day today. As always down here in Florida, you got to love the Sunshine State. There's so many reasons why you have to love this state. I love it. I'm a proud Floridian, or however you say that. So here we go. The life of the retired people walking their dogs. All right, let's see. All right, so before we actually look at the trunk, we're gonna do a quick walk around of this motorcycle right here. You guys see it right there. So let's do a quick walk around. 2005 Road King Classic. Obviously, as I mentioned many times, it comes with the leather bags, which I just didn't like. You know, it's 2005, so when I got the leather bags, they were not completely destroyed, but they were a little bit saggy and stuff like that. I wanted to replace them, but I wanted to keep the Road King Classic look, which obviously has the leather bags. And when I found Vikingbags, I thought it was a good addition. Again, it gives you that leather bag look, which there is not too many choices out there, guys, to be truthful. So if you have one of those bikes and you want to kind of bring it back to life, this is what you're gonna get, and that's about it. So again, 2005 Road King Classic has the 88 cubic inch, which pretty much everybody knows. Not anything to brag about, but just enough to have a great time. Look at that thing right there. So again, I put the bags, as you guys know, and then I did the trunk, and like I said, wow, I just love it. 3-month update. This is how it looked. I think it was a great investment. It matches the bags really nice. Obviously, this is the set. If you buy the entire set, it's going to be about $1,000 for the bags and the trunk. Again, I don't remember exactly how much I paid for this, but again, the video that I did below is going to talk about that. But again, that's how it looks. And so far, everything that I said on the first video, it kind of remains the same. Really haven't changed my opinion about none of the things that I say. You know, it looks good. And again, you know, let me kind of open it up in here. If I remember correctly, what I said in my initial videos, that this right here was kind of crappy. You see how it moved? I still say it's kind of crappy, right? So it moved a little bit. I haven't even messed with it or nothing. It works. It's completely 100% works, but again, kind of crappy. And I said that this stubbies right here could potentially scratch your helmet. Does not fit to full-size helmet. That's probably a question that everybody's gonna have. So it is what it is, right? And again, you need a key to actually open it. So you're gonna need a key. I like the design. See Vikingbags right there. The little backrest right there, I do like it very much. And obviously, if you buy one, you're gonna need to get a mount, right? Depends your motorcycle, is the mount you're gonna have to get. But there you have it, guys. This is how it looks, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm really happy with it. I'm really impressed. If you're going for the Road King classy look, again, you know, the leather back and things like that, I think this is a great choice, and I think you guys are gonna like it. So far, it's doing good. So far, it's doing pretty good, and so far, I'm pretty happy with my investment. This is the best looking, you know, angle of the bike, I think, right there. Let's look at it like this. Yeah, baby, that looks nice. Have you ever guys done any practice in, you know, like open garage like this one? I think this would be a really cool place to do a couple U-turns and things like that, you know? I don't know. I think so. I might come over here and put some cones or something and kind of play with it, see what can I do. Let me know if you want to see some videos like that, because I really need some practice. Really need a lot of practice. And again, you know, slow maneuvers is probably the hardest thing to do on a motorcycle. Everything else, in my opinion, is kind of easy. You know, you could go straight, very easy, and you could take turns and things like that very easy. But again, you know, slow maneuvers is where you make your money. So anyways, guys, that's it. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to do a quick update, kind of showing you what I think. Come on, buddy. So that's about it. I just wanted to do a quick update here on the trunk. Like I say, I love it. Not only I love this trunk because it makes my bike look really classic, but I also love the whole concept of having a trunk. I really do. You know, as a matter of fact, since I actually started using the trunk, I barely use my bags because I usually put my lunch and things like that in there. And for a person that has, I know it's kind of silly, but for a person that has back issues, it's actually very nice not having to bend over to the bags and all that. Open the trunk, it's kind of level with myself, and I put my lunch, I put some of the supplies and things that I have inside there. You know, as you guys saw, I had a couple flashlights and things like that in there because I usually go to work on my motorcycle. But anyways, let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.